Well, Coffee Bush Kid, it's a button. Congratulations. G'day folks, this is the Coffee Bush Kid in Central Vic, but it's a different part. I'm out with my mate Flipper over there, who you can hear his gold cruiser. Just down in here, out of this hole, came that. And you've always got to love a 1951 sixpence. And that one's in really good nick. Put him on the knee. There we go. Look at that. Must have been lost when it first came out of the mint, I'd reckon. That's pretty cool. Thought I could smell silver in the air when we pulled up. I wasn't far wrong. Let's see what else we can find. Down here, I got this really nice. There was a 30s mark coming into it, 29, then 21, 22. And look at that. That is a beautiful piece of brass. Now, whether it's off horse tack, I don't actually know, but I've actually found one of these beforehand. Not from here, but somewhere else. So I don't know what it is, but it's pretty beautiful. Put to some use. Anyway, just there, where the triangle of grass is where a house used to be. So I'm just playing out around it all. Oh, I've got bloody heaps to do around here. I have been here with the 11-inch coil and too many signals in the ground. So, funnily enough, I'm back with the old 6-inch there to get in amongst it all. Play hell and break things. And we'll see what happens. But that's not a bad start. Apologise for any wind noise. Have a look at this. I was mostly getting 2930s. And it's down in here. Just there. Now, I have just seen a little edge. Look. Ooh, sorry, we get down in there a bit better. Oh, I also see ants. So let's just pull that out, shall we? Bloody ants getting all over me. Alright. Quick rub, can't see much, but what we will do is clean it up, get rid of the ants. Oh, little buggers. Get off. And we are back. Now, can't see a date at the moment, but look at that patina. And we see Britannia sitting there, or as my sister would say, there's that woman in the wheelchair. Anyway, on this side though, look at that. He faces the same way as Queen Victoria. So that is in fact George IV. And that's about as good as we get over here in Australia. That's probably about the best one I've got. So it's a George IV halfpenny. And that's not bloody bad. So I'm very pleased with that. Excuse the wind, but we've both got to have a look at this. Have a look. Just really nice numbers, consistent, just down in there. I don't know what it is, but I can smell coin. It's just there. So we've obviously disturbed its resting place. Oh, don't tell me that's... No, look at that. Doesn't that look like a coin impression? So, oh yeah, yep, I just saw that now. I don't know how the sun... There we go. What have we got? Where are we? There. Oh! Look at that! It's a medallion. What have we got? Might be one of those. Bloody Queen Vic. No, that looks like George V through the finder. I think we're going to have to clean this up. Hang on a tick. Whoops. And we'll be back. Alright, here we are back. King George V and Queen, where's my finger gone there? Queen Mary. You can see the gilding, the goldness of it. And on this side, it says commemorate their majestic coronation. June 22, 1911. That's for Victoria. That is an absolute corker of a find. That's bloody brilliant. It's in fairly good nick, considering it's in the ground. That's bloody brilliant. We should see. So, actually, before I say that, there's the tree. Here I'm around this triangle. I've got the other coin just over the front there. So I've got this one at the back. Very happy with that. Bloody brilliant. Let's see what else we can find. Alright, this is a nice one. You see the numbers going around, but I was getting up around the 29 mark. But that's still not bad at that. Especially when you look down and we see that. Oh, I don't know what. Oh, bloody looked like a coin. Bugger it. That's still pretty cool though. That's a nice big piece of brass. Don't know what it was for. Hear the insect? Oh, it's a blue-banded bee. I don't know whether they get a bit aggressive at times. See how it's just buzzing around there? Maybe you can see it. Anyway, back to this. That's what we found. Piece of brass. Don't know what it was used for. But an interesting find. He's really not happy. Alright, we'll shoot through. What's just coming up at that? You got to dig something when it's like that. So let's have a go. Don't know what it'll be. Ever hopeful for a coin as usual, but who knows? This is the goldfields. And if we could find where it was, that would be bloody great too. Crush those up a bit. It is on, yes. Okay. You'd reckon with such a clear signal, I'll still be in the hole. Ugh. Right, another try. Let's see how that one went. We are out. Bugger. Piece of shit. Bit of muck metal. Bother. Now I never tire of finding these. A saw medallion. Now, Yes, we can get in there. Corporate mark, kangaroo. You don't get much more bloody Australian than that, mate. Fair suck of the sav. Jeez. Louise. Bloody ball terror. Corker of a find. Yeah, just a little one, but pretty cool thing to find. See what else we can pull out the ground. One of those cool little finds you find. So not only did we find a saw medallion, here is the end of a wooden ruler. This is the fulcrum. It's the brassy bits that would have been on the end where you would open it up. So it wouldn't be out of the realms of possibility that you would say that a carpenter was living in this area. Why his tools got bloody damaged and that I don't know, but anyway, that's what that is, the end of a ruler. Pretty cool find. Excuse the wind if it gets in the way. Down here, got a good, 18, 19 signal. There's lots around here. You can see where there's been dwelling sites and there's bloody bits of old crockery and everything. Anyway, got this signal. There's lots of steel, lots of everything. Always comes up 15, 16, 17, 18. But this one just sounded different. Dug down. There it is. You all know what that is. Chinese coin. So, I should probably clean that up. We'll see what it comes up like. We are back. Now, I can't remember which one this is. Might be the 1635 to 1685, something around that. But these are the type of coins that I actually quite like. See that hole in it? It's caused by a short pour, or when the bronze was starting to get cold and it wasn't pouring through the moulds properly, and you got these pockety bits. And I reckon that's just cool as. Anyway, it's not a great deal of detail. There's enough. It's where it was minted and they poured it, and that's the top face there. But anyway, they're a cool find in anyone's language, I reckon. Sometimes you get 17s that are 4 bars down, you go, yeah, steel. And other times you get 17s that are only a couple of bars down. They turn out to be a button. And you go, well, coffee bush kid, it's a button. Congratulations. That's a beautiful button. Look at that, that would have had fabric, and in fact I think we can still see the remains of it in there, in the centre. It's a beautiful florally looking button. That's an absolute Bobby Dazzler. That's beautiful. You know, some buttons you get out and you go, yeah, right, they're a button. Some are just lovely. This falls into the latter. Now that wind's picking up again. There's where I dug that button. Over here in this little bit of mess, we've got this really good strong 20. And what makes a good strong 20? Another little Chinese coin. Clean that one up too. There we are. That's in really good nick. That one. Look at that. It's only a little thing. But that's an absolute corker, that one. Now, that was just there. And if we pan up, you can... There's a piece of glass there somewhere. But it was just over there that we dug the other Chinese coin. So that's pretty cool. I think that's one of the 1700s one. But that's in really good nick. Beautiful little coin. Pretty glorious. So keep in mind, always good to fill in some of your day detecting, but remember to fill in all your holes when you're finished. We'll catch you next time.